Tool Tuesday, getting to work way before noon. Call Valentine just to see how he's doing.
Hello.
What up, Val?
Yo, legend, what's cracking?
You making what I'm thinking?
Metal parts.
Man, it's happening.
You know these metal molds are fitting just like duct tape.
Those perfect metal parts just remind me of cupcakes.
Manufactured so cheap we care about costings.
I love metal parts like McAdams loves Gosling.
2.
No, 6.
No, 12.
Let's make a dozen. You know what they need these parts for a landing in the Hudson.
Our parts help in the landing.
150 lives, dude.
Well, you know they use our parts to find the safest route.
It's just our job.
Yeah, you know that's true.
Valentine is the best.
True dat.
They know it too. East Main to West Main.
Step on the pedal.
What you wanna do, Ty?
That a metal.
Hit that metal.
What?
Parts from Valentine. Yes, the metal.
What?
Parts from Valentine. With the metal.
What?
From Valentine. Pass the metal.
What?
Tools from Valentine. Yo, stop at the telly. The ISS is overpriced.
You got the device?
Gonna fix it up nice.
Don't want the Hubble to get overheated.
And once the part is put in, the job is completed.
NASA reached in their pocket to pull out some dough.
Cause we ain't never done a job like this before.
It's all about the thermostat, baby.
Throw the dough in the bag.
Champs again like Brady. Roll up to Valentine.
Manufacturing what they
You
handle
can
in.
tell us versatile.
From the way we tool and stamp it.
And why do we care?
Cause these parts are important. Each and every one of our wide assortment.
Part so perfect it's scary.
Engineers work together as friends. Matthew Perry. Come to the Valentine Tool and Stamp where it's gonna get tragic.
You're about to get taken to a dream world of magic.
Hit that metal.
What?
Parts from Valentine. Yes, the metal.
What?
Parts from Valentine. With the metal.
What?
From Valentine. Pass the metal.
What?
Tools from Valentine. That was Tool Tuesday, written, produced, and rapped by Tyler Hughes, Sean Murphy, Matt Finney, and Jake Pereira from Norton High School. Valentine Tool and Stamp is a local manufacturing company located in Norton, Massachusetts. Valentine Tool and Stamp develops various metal parts that have technological applications in big projects, like the Hubble telescope and Flight 1549. Valentine Tool and Stamp is very essential to us because it shows that even small companies can make a huge difference in the world.